How to generate beats in edits. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make beats and adjust the video. First of all, open the application. Now here in the middle, you can see this project icon. Simply tap on it. Here, you'll be able to see this project section. Now you can create a new project or older ones. So here I'm tapping on one. Now I'm in this editing platform. Here on the top, you can see different voiceovers, and here on the bottom you can see this video. Now select the audio first. Here you can see the option called beats. Simply tap on beats. Here you can adjust the beats and even add new beats. So here on the bottom you can see this generate beats. So here simply tap on more, and here on the right top simply tap on the stick button and you're done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.